This is November 13th, Daily Review. Convert to decimal. We have fraction 1/2. We're going to convert to decimal. To do that, I'm going to use the method of equivalent fraction. We have a decimal place called tenth, hundredth, and thousandths. Therefore, I have set 1/2 to another fraction with denominator 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Do the same thing to its numerator. 1 times 5 is 5. So 1/2 is equal to 5/10. So I'm going to write the decimal form, 5/10. There's another method to convert 1/2 to a decimal. That is doing 1 divided by 2. You always read from top to bottom, 1 divided by 2. So we have 1 divided by 2. Well, we know that 2 cannot fit into 1, which means we need to divide the decimal number 1. To do 1 as a decimal number, you can place a decimal right after 1 and place a 0 after the decimal. 1 and 0/10. This is same value as 1. Alright, we're going to bring the decimal straight up. Start dividing. Will 2 go into 1? Answer is no. Whenever no, place a 0 up here. Will 2 go into 10? Answer is yes. It goes in there 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. Now we have nothing left. So answer is 5/10. Now let's go to number 2, 3/4. I'm going to set this equal to denominator 100. 10 will not work as a denominator on this one because 4 times nothing gives you 10. But 100 will work because 4 times 25 will give us 100. Do exact same thing to its numerator. 3 times 25 is 75. So 3/4 is equivalent to 75 hundredths. 75 hundredths. We can also do it this way. 3/4 is same thing as 3 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4. Use the same strategy. 3 changed into decimal by placing a decimal after the whole number and place zeros afterwards. This is still worth 3. We just converted into decimal form of 3. Bring your decimal straight up. Alright, let's start dividing. 4 goes into 3. No. 4 goes into 30. Yes, it goes in there 7 times because 7 times 4 is 28. Subtract. Bring down. 4 goes into 20. 5 times because 5 times 4 is 20. So 3/4 is equal to 75 hundredths. Number 3, 9/10. Well, this is straightforward, 9/10. It reads exactly the same. Okay, let's use this method. 9/10. That means 9 divided by 10. Alright, let's do 9 divided by 10. Well, 10 cannot fit into 9, so we're going to change the 9 whole into decimal number by placing a decimal at the end and place a 0 afterwards. Bring your decimal straight up. Will 10 fit into 9? No. Will 10 fit into 90? Yes, it goes in there 9 times. 9 times 10 is 90. So answer is 9/10, just like we have it right here. For number 4, I'm going to set that equal to denominator 10. 5 times 2 is 10. Do the same thing to its numerator. 3 times 2 is 6. So 3/5 is equal to 6/10. 6/10. Okay, you can use this method. 3/5 is same thing as 3 divided by 5. Place a decimal after that 3 and place a 0. Bring your decimal straight up. 5 goes into 3? No. 5 goes into 30? Yes. It goes in there 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. So 3/5 is same thing as 6/10. Number 5, we have 1/4. On this one, you can do it on your own. Thanks.